Hello dear students, welcome in science class 8. Today we are going to learn a new chapter number 4, materials, metals and non-metals. Students, we are going to learn a summary of this lesson. So let us start. You are familiar with a number of materials like iron, aluminium and copper. You have to check one activity with the given materials. Let us start 4.1. First material is iron. You have to check appearance and hardness. What is the appearance of iron? It's shiny. And what is the hardness? It's very hard. Okay. What about coal? Its appearance is dull and it's not very hard. What about sulfur? Sulfur is dull in appearance and not very hard. Aluminium, it's very hard and its appearance is shiny. Copper, its appearance is shiny and it's very hard. So you can distinguish them in metals and non-metals. As you know that metals are luscious and very hard. It means they are shiny and hard. So you can say that iron, aluminium and copper are the metals and coal and sulfur are the non-metals. You can distinguish them by their physical or chemical properties. So let us start physical properties of metals and non-metal. One activity is given for the physical properties. You have to take iron nail and coal piece. Also a thick piece of aluminum wire and pencil lead. Beat the iron nail with a hammer. You have to beat the nail like this. Try to hit hard. Hit hard the aluminum wire also. You have to hit hard to the aluminum wire also. What do you find? You find that it will be changed into the flattened surface or it would be flat. Okay? It forms like a sheet. Now you have to beat the coal piece and pencil lead also. What do you find? You find that these are breaks into pieces. Okay. This activity is given into 4.2, malleability of materials. Iron nails change in shape, it will change into flattened shape. Now coal piece, it will break down into the pieces, and aluminum wire, it will change into the flattened surface, and pencil lead, it will breaks into the pieces. The property of metal by which they can be beaten into thin sheet is called malleability. If you beat any metal, you will get a sheet. This property is known as the malleability. Okay, the conversion of any object or material into the sheet, thin sheet, after beating, you can call it as a malleability property. Okay, now activity 4.2. Recall how to make an electric circuit to test whether electricity can pass through an object or not. You have to recall the electricity circuit. How can the electricity pass through the circuit? Like this. Okay, and you did this activity in class 6 with a different objects. Okay, you have to recall that activity. Now repeat this activity with the given materials from table 4.3. Materials are given here: iron rod or nail, sulfur, coal piece or copper wire. You have to check which is good conductor and which is poor conductor. You will find that iron rod or nail and copper wire are the good conductors, while sulfur and coal pieces are poor conductors. This activity shows that some metals are the electrical conductors. Okay. Next property is given here. The property of metal by which it can be drawn into wires is called ductility. Here ductility is the property. The property of metal. From metal you can draw a wire. You can prepare a wire from the metals. Okay. So that property is known as the ductility. Next is when some objects or the things made of metals produce a ringing sound when struck hard. When we struck hard on the objects, you will get one ringing sound. That ringing sound is known as the sonorous. Okay. So you will find that metals produce ringing sound. They are said to be sonorous. You will find that so many metals shows the sonorous property. That is, they will form the ringing sound when we struck hard on them. After performing the above activities, we can say that some materials are hard, some lustrous, malleable, ductile, sonorous, and good conductors of heat and electricity. Okay, these are the properties or physical properties of the metals, or the material which generally possesses these properties are called metals. Okay, which are these properties? Hardness, lustrous, malleability, ductility, sonorous, and good conductors of heat and electricity. These are the properties of only metals. Okay. In opposite, you will find that some materials, they are not sonorous and are poor conductors of heat and electricity. These materials are called non-metals. Some materials are non-metals like sulfur, carbon, oxygen, phosphorus. Okay. Some are non-metals. They are poor conductor of heat and electricity, though they do not produce sound when we struck on them. They are non-lustrous. They are non-ductile or not very hard. Okay. So these are the properties of non-metals. Now